Hi friends, today you're gonna try with me this shampoo cap. This is a product for clean your hair without water. You can use it if you are camping, if you are in the exterior or if you have some disease or incapacity that you can take a normal shower. You can use these ones. So this is the product. Oh, so the instruction says if you have to if you want to take a hot cleaning of your hair, you can put it 20 seconds in the microwave. You can have to cover all your hair with it. So I have so much hair, so let's see. All the ingredients are inside of our shampoo cap are alcohol free. So we have some shampoo conditioner here. So the instruction says that you have to take all your hair and put it inside. And then using your hands, you just make this, and you have to make sure that all your hair is with products. So this feels like a real shower when I'm cleaning my hair. I can feel the product in all the parts of my hair right now. So you just have to do it for a time you need. And then you just take it off. As you can see, all my hair is wet and I can feel it clean. And now you just take a regular towel and you dry your hair as usual. Smells good. And now I'm gonna brush my hair. And as you can see, it's all wet. Feels clean. Feels healthy. So this is a perfect product for you if you don't have or you don't want or you can't take a regular shower. I highly recommend it, this practical and effective shampoo cap. See you.